Do you know we get hurricanes in the summertime here, living along the Gulf of Mexico? We do. In fact, all along the Texas Gulf Coast and all along the Gulf of Mexico is what's known as a part of what I call a hurricane alley, where hurricanes like to go in. Hurricanes like to go in right here in Houston, Galveston. And when they do, here in Kingwood, we're without power for mainly, let's say 10 to 12 weeks, to say the least. Please subscribe, rate, and comment.